Williams, nice play. John Best taking it to the hole. At nakakuha pa ng foul. Mills running the field off Gabby Queen.
Yeah, he learned his lesson from his earlier miss. This one he was running.
Sino po sinusuportahan lang? Williams with a snap shot from PLDT long distance country. The 12 so far scored by Shell. Silas Mills sumagot bigla. Yung 3-10. Larry binigay kay Chris Jackson. Jackson nilabas kay Noy Castilla. Titira rin 3. Yes!
Nice setup job done there by Chris Jackson.
Ba't ito ang harap ko?
Nice shot.
Di ba, sabi ni Vic Pablo, if you know how to move without the ball, you'll get the opportunity.
Pick and roll, ayaw ni Williams.
Ako na lang, ito na lang.
Wala sa'yo.
Ito na lang. Papagurin pa natin sarili natin. Matagal-tagal din pong binuno ng 8 kupunan na bumubuo ng PBA bago po nabuo naman itong ating serye ng kampyonato para sa 1998 Governors Cup. Nag-umpisa pa po ito nung Centennial Cup. Tumuloy-tuloy dito sa Governors at ngayon, 2 kupunan po ang magkaharap upang kanilang pag-awayan at pag-aagawan itong pinakamimithing korona ng Governors Cup for 1998 ng Philippine Basketball Association. Mayong gabi kaninyong tanan mga higala sa tanang mga parte sa Pilipinas na nitanaw karon sa atong tulumanon. Magandang gabi po. Ako po si Ed Pixon para sa Vintage Sports at gaya po ng dati sasamahan tayo ni Dr. J. Andy Howe upang ihatid sa inyo ito pong laban ng Mobiline Phone Pals at ng Formula Shell Super Unleaded. Dr. J, sa kabila ng ating makulay na pag-uumpisa nitong ating kampyonato, nababanaag natin at nararamdaman natin ang pananabik at ang tensyon hindi lamang sa mga players ngunit dun din sa mga suki na nagsidalo rito sa Cuneta Astrodome sa gabing ito.
Tama ka, Ed, especially on the part of Mobiline. Hindi pa nakakatikim ng kampyonato ito, and certainly you can say that they're a very hungry team. At nakikita naman nila na talagang may pag-asa sila. Hindi sila pumasok dito na parang sinasabi natin swerte o chamba. They have the skills. I think many experts in the league, and not only in the league but news writers, sports writers agree that among the imports, they have the best combination. The Mobiline imports of Silas Mills and Team McClary. Sa kabila naman, alam naman natin ang Shell. Maybe 6 years ago, they won a championship. Matagal na rin yan. Saka gusto rin nila magkaroon ng pagkakataon na bumalik ulit doon sa taas ng corona. That is winning a governor's crown, this crown, no?
Yes. Well, nasabi nga ni Dr. J that Mobiline has not won a regular championship here in the PBA. Although, alam po natin na nung nakaraang Centennial Cup, ang Mobiline po ang hinirang na kampiyon at ang kanilang tinalong kupunan doon sa kampyonato na yun ay walang iba kundi ito ring same Formula Shell Super Unleaded team. Bagamat yung kampyonato na yun was only a 1-game affair at napakadigit ang laban doon, Dr. J.
That's right, 67-66, overtime pa yun. Isipin mo, low-scoring ball game, but of course, the rules were amateur. It was a league, it was a cup within a cup. But of course, alam mo, marami rin nagsasabi, ito talagang hinahabol ng lahat ng kupunan that participated in this Governor's Cup. And right now, these two teams have the opportunity to finally win a big one.
Well, kung gaano po kahigpit ang labanang ito ay makikita ninyo sa mga numero nakikita ninyo ngayon sa inyong mga screens. Halos magkapareho ang mga record ng 2 kupunang ito, Andy.
Well, alam naman natin na nangyari dyan sa Centennial Cup, 6 wins, 3 losses. Then they finished 9 wins and 6 losses. Took a knockout game for them to get here, and they both finished with 4 wins, 3 losses in the Governor Cup semifinals.
Well, folks, you can't get any closer than that. Kanya po naman ang lahat ay talagang umaasa na magiging napakahigpit at napakaganda nitong labanang ito ng Formula Shell at Mobiline para po sa championship ng ating 1998 Governors Cup. Marami po kami pag-uusapan ni Dr. J. Diyan lang po kayo, magbe-break tayo sandali at magbabalik tayo for more on Mobiline versus Formula Shell for the Governors Cup. Okay, mga kaibigan, pinag-uusapan po natin ngayon itong kampyonato ng Formula Shell at ang Mobiline Phone Pals Best of 7 Championship Series para sa Governors Cup. Dr. J, nabanggit mo kanina kung gaano katindi yung kombinasyon ng mga imports nitong Mobiline Phone Pals, pero hindi rin naman matatawaran ang imports nitong Formula Shell na sina Donald Williams at si John Best. Well, pag-usapan natin yung ating tutunghayan at pagtutuunan ng pansin na guard shampoo matchup para po sa larong ito at sa kampyonatong ito. John Best at si Silas Mills, parehong magaling sa opensiba ito, Dr. J.
That's right. Ang maganda mga averages nitong dalawa doon sa semifinals. Both are very good rebounders, as you will see in our guard matchup. Although medyo nakakalamang dyan ang konti si Silas Mills. And Silas Mills, a better assist player. Pag na-double team ito, mabilis ang kamay nito, mabilis ang mata nito, maka-spot ng mga kaibigan niya, mga kasamahan niya. Both of them also very prone to turnovers. That's what we call a liability. Siyempre, they take a lot more gambles. They handle the ball a lot. They play 48 minutes if it's possible. And that's why they're prone to a lot more turnovers than the other local or other import players.
Sa panig naman ito si T. McClary, Dr. J, alam natin medyo bato-bato ang dating nito si Donald Williams. Medyo may pagka-finesse player ito.
That's
Parang
right.
contrast sila.
For T. McClary is more of the post type of player. You would say the number 4 player on the team. Kanyang mga scoring, high field goal percentage ito dahil sa loob kumakana ito. Si Donald Williams naman is more of the outside shooter, long range ito. Good 18-20 footer. Also has a long range shot. Pero seldom do you see him slash to the basket. Kaya may konting diferensya.
Well, of course, mga kaibigan, malaking bagay din yung mga locals ng dalawang koponan ito. Maraming mga veterano dyan, pero marami rin mga bata na very eager to show their ways in a championship game, especially in a regular conference like the Governor's Cup. This championship game is about ready. Game number 1 of the best-of-7 championship series with the 1998 Governor's Cup of the Philippine Basketball Association. The Mobiline Pool Pals versus Puerto Shell Super Unleaded coming right up. Okay mga kaibigan, hindi po narinig ang pagpapakilala sa dalawang starting units na siya pong unang sasabak dito po sa Championship Series between Shell and Mobiline. Ayan po, Castillo, Williams, Best, Jackson, and Pablo for Shell, Espinosa, Capascio, Mills, McClary, and Cui para naman sa Mobiline.
Pero siyempre, kamayan muna ito bago mag-umpisa. Ang champion niyan
Isang branch. Ano naman, si Coach Tito Ituki. Okay. Samantala, magkakaroon po ng re-jump. John Best versus Silas Mills. At the pick ni Mills, nakuha ni Tony Boy Espinosa.
Tignan natin itong matchup ng point guards between Tony Boy Espinosa and Castillo.
T. McClary has a top of the key against Chris Jackson. Fall-away jumper by T. McClary. Wala. Ito na naman si Donald Williams. Ito si Williams, Dr. J, napansin natin doon na medyo may pagka-inconsistent. Pero when the chips are down, itong si Donald Williams ang deliver para sa Puerto Shell.
That's right. Especially in the last game, in the fourth quarter, napansin na ating mga kaibigan ng mga basketball fans. Kinukwento sa akin, halos lahat talaga yung tira nito. At mahirap. You know, he was really going in. Kanina, naglaro rin yung kanyang alma mater na University of North Carolina. Nanalo yun.
Well, inaasahan niya na sakaling makapawi naman para sa Puerto Shell. Samantala, mga kaibigan, tapla na po tayo at 2-all. As T. McClary just even up the count. Donald Williams, ooh, this one inside.
Dalawang basket na ito para kay Donald Williams. This one, taking it strong to the hoop. Very awkward shot, pero pumasok. So, very fast start para sa dalawang kupunan.
Alam natin, hindi usually ginagawa yan ni Donald Williams. Pero pagka ganito mga crisis situation, mukhang crisis player itong si Donald Williams. He likes to play under pressure. Samantala, T. McClary against Chris Jack. Ayan na naman, T. McClary delivering the first 4 points of Mobiline. Parang si McClary at si Williams ang nag-uumpisa dito sa dalawang koponan. Parang sinabi na, aha, John Best pala at Silas Mills ang pinag-uusapan nyo, ha?
Yan ang guard matchup nyo, ha? Kami muna dalawa.
Ito si Donald Williams nagmintis. McLaren lost the rebound, but it's picked up by Tony Boy Espinosa. The bounce pass intended for Gabby Cui. At lumabas po ang bola as Mobiline turns it over.
You know, he had the right intention. Being a point guard, you always make a lead pass, especially to the wings. Problema, Gabby was looking at him instead of running towards the basket. If he was cutting to the path towards the basket, madadapot niya yung pass na yun.
Noy Castillo is acting as point guard for Formula Shell. Vic Pablo got away from Team McLaren, not quite. He gets it back though. Vic Pablo.
Well, nablanka mo man si Big Pablo. He's kept his mind in the situation, kept his composure, and got an offensive rebound and the putback. Double teaming on the outside there against Silas Mills.
Here's McLaren again playing the top of the key.
Alam mo, may isang adjustment dito sa depensa na napansin natin kaagad. We'll take a look at this first. No? There's a foul there on help defense. Pero alam, you know, in the past I've always been saying Jackson cannot guard Silas Mills. Jackson usually can guard an import very well, no? And he's shown that. So they made an adjustment. They got Jackson to guard McLaren. At saka si John Bess ang bumabantay kay Silas Mills with some double teaming help if he plays on the outside. Pero nag-uumpisa sa taas si McLaren, tapos sinasaksak si Jackson sa loob imbis na pumoste. Yung sa poste kagad, Jackson is very good in that. Basta-basta mababaka. But he plays him from the outside first, then he takes him to the basket.
It looks uncharacteristic for Team McLaren to be playing facing the hoop, but he has so far been successful. He has 4 points in the game, pero nagbintis mo ang unang free throw. Got it to go in the second, and a 1-point lead for Formula Shell at 6-5. Nasa unang yugto po tayo na labanang ito ng Formula Shell at Mobiline.
Isolation play dito para kay John Bess.
Up against Silas Mills. Best takes it inside, sees Pablo open. Pablo gets it back again. 2 offensive rebounds in the game now for Vic Pablo. At narito ngayon si Donald Williams lamang kay Glenn Camacho. Williams, nice play. John Best taking it to the hole. At nakakuha pa ng foul. Yes, and one. Si Gabby Cui ang tatawagan na kanyang unang personal foul sa larong ito.
Well, nakita natin magandang help defense ang ginawa ng Mobiline on the pick and roll play there by the Formula Shell team between the two imports. Pero late ang reaction and Best took it hard. It's very important to take it hard. Pag natakot ka na may tumutulong, siyempre iiba ang tira mo. Best had all concentration when he went to the basket.
But alam natin na scorer ito si John Best, and he knows what to do in that kind of a situation.
Give me your best pump, ha? Pump it up. Pump it up. Di ba?
Gasolina. Gasolina.
Okay.
Silas Mills with a PLDT long distance shot. No connection there. Chris Jackson hinahabol ni Donald Team McLaren. McLaren, nope. Almost counter situation there. The shot clock continues to run. 11 segundos mo nalalabing sa Formula Shell para makatira. Vic Pablo against Gabby Cui. On the other side, John Best misses the shot, pero si Chris Jackson na naman na nakakuha ng rebound bigay kay Noy Castillo.
Yan rin isang specialty ni Jackson besides defensive prowess. He's also a very good rebounder on both sides of the floor.
Of course, pag medyo hindi mo pinansin yan, titirahan ka rin yan, hindi i-score din yan.
That's right.
John Best, what a pivot move by John Best, but he didn't get the shot to go.
He wasn't able to use the glass in that play.
Silas Mills running the field off of Gabby Cui.
Yeah, he learned this lesson from his earlier miss. This one, he was running towards the basket. It was an easy pass, cutting down the lead of Shell to 2.
Ito si Gabby Cui, marami nagsasabi parang pahiyang lang, pero sa nakikita nating mga kontribusyon na binibigay nito, not only his intensity, but also he keeps his head square on his shoulders inside the court, and that's what's important.
That's a big presence on the floor. Medyo wide rin ito. Malakas naman tumalong. Malaki, like you said.
Tony Boy Espinosa was momentarily open, got a fake off Vic Pablo, and Espinosa drills it in. At ngayon po, tapla tayo at 9-all.
Ginagamit niya yung utak niya. He did not take a 3-point shot. He went closer for a higher percentage shot.
Coach Eric Altamirano gave credit to Tony Boy Espinosa's hard-court leadership despite his youth and inexperience, or relative inexperience in the league. As another turnover ensues. Samantala mga kaibigan, meron po tayong report mula sa ating kasama si Anthony Zuntay about June Marzan. Anthony!
Okay, thanks a lot. And alam mo, nakausap ko si June Marzan kanina. He will sorely be missed. Binabanggit nyo kanina si Gabby Cui. Ganon din ang tuloy ni June Marzan. He's out because in their last game, he sprained his foot. He was doing some pivot. Hindi gumalaw daw yung sapatos niya. Na-sprain yung kanya pa. He's gonna be out for the next couple of games. And
Well, masamang balita yan, Anthony, para sa kanyang mga fans sapagkat malaking tulong talaga yan si Jun Marsan, Dr. J.
Yeah, you know, in the last game he had 10 points. He had some crucial plays. He also, defensively, he could not really stop the Monsters, but he came in with some big contributions para sa Shell.
Alam naman natin ang hustle niyan si Jun Marsan. At any rate, his team is on the offensive. Vic Pablo again gets it back, pero pinasa po niya sa kalaban. Team McClary has it. McClary with a nice sidestepping move. Short on the try. McClary trying to get it back. He's up against a lot of green shirts. At nakuha ni Vic Pablo. Forward to John Best. Hinahabol ni Tony Boy and Espinosa, and he gives up the foul.
It's a good foul because it would have been a 2-in-1 situation with the two imports leading the charge. Siguradong 2-point shoot. So, intelligent foul, but it's the third team foul now on Mobilite against one for Shell. 6:27 left dito sa ating first quarter.
Tabla pa rin ang ating score, mga kaibigan, at 9-all. We got a good-sized crowd and a very animated one at that. At wala pong shades of gray kung sino po sinusuportahan lang. Williams with a snap shot from PLDT Long Distance Country.
Now, Glenn Capasio is usually a very accurate defender. And he has been able to stop Williams in their pass confrontation. Pero tonight, Williams started very hot here in the first quarter.
Williams has 7 points. 7 of the 12 so far scored by Shell. Cyrus Bell sumagot bigla.
Yung bandang tira, exactly what Tony Boy Espinosa did the other night to beat the shot clock. Yan, sinasabi mo magandang tira, may kahalong konting buenas.
Oo. Kasama yan sa laro. Yung
Kasama sa
buenas. Kailangan may buenas ka talaga. Vic Pablo, sinarap po ni Team McClary. Binigay kay Chris Jackson. Jackson nilabas kay Noy Castilla. Titira rin ng 3. Yes!
Nice setup job done there by Chris Jackson. You penetrate a little bit, you grow the defense, and you know exactly who to pass to, partner.
Yes, nagkakalabanan po ng tirahan sa labas. Sasali si Team McClary. Pero hindi pumasok ang tira. Ito si Noy Castillo. Mabilis nang pumasok sa depensa. Mobile phone pass. Kailangan tayo ni Noy Castillo ang kanyang mga kakampi. Castillo takes it inside out to Jackson. Vic Pablo against Team McClary. That's a tough job.
Kaya medyo matras mo kasi.
Oo, sabi na, teka, ba't ikaw? Ba't ikaw karap ito?
Nice shot.
Di bale, sabi ni Vic Pablo, if you know how to move without the ball, you'll get the opportunity.
Big Pablo's fans club ng Formula Shell, the Super Athletic. Ako, YouTube, puro Super Athletic ng ating gasolina.
Dapat naman.
So, yun yung sinabi mo sa akin, nagpapaplit ang
Kailangan tumulong tayo sa environment. Tony Boy Espinosa missing the shot from the outside. Vic Pablo getting a lot of rebounds in this game in the early goings. Nilabas kay Donald Williams. Williams hindi makapasok sa role against Capasio. Chris Jackson. Balik ulit kay Williams. Ayan na naman yung formation na yan.
May mag-pick and roll, ayaw ni Williams.
Ako na lang, ito na lang.
Pala sa'yo.
Ito na lang. Papagurin pa natin sarili natin sa niya. Yan, Formula Shell enjoys an 8-point lead at 20-12. We have the first time out of the ball game. Sabi po natin mga kaibigan na maganda po yung crowd dito ngayon sa ating pag-uumpisa ng Championship Series between Formula Shell and Mobiline Phone Pals para sa Governor's Cup. At they have reason to be very animated. Maganda labanan, although Formula Shell is now threatening to break away. Lamang ng 8 ang mga bataan ni Coach Perry Roquillo. Silas Mills in trouble. The pass to Alvin Deng went through the hands of Alvin. And another turnover from Mobiline.
The reason na lumalamang dito ang Shell is medyo maganda pa nilang rebounding at the same time maganda ang shooting percentage ni Donald Williams, no?
Well, kanina nakita natin naglabanan ng 3-point shooting itong dalawang koponan. They're shooting just a shade over 30% from 3-point country as a team. Dito po sa conference na ito.
May drive at defensa. Napansin mo, partner. Si
Oo,
Capasio na
Glenn
bumabantay
Capasio.
kay Pablo at saka si Artemis McClary na bumabantay kay Williams.
Samantala magandang pass on a Team McClary, but it's rejected by John Best.
That was a good block.
Noy Castillo, nilabas kay Chris Jackson. Formula Shell passing the ball around. Magandang cut to Chris Jackson. Yung sinasabi natin. Pag hindi mo pinansin si Chris Jackson, bigla kang bubulagain yan.
He'll hurt you. He'll hurt you with his offense. We have a technical foul called, I think, on Jackson.
Oh, let's see what this is.
Officials timeout. Nasaktan yata si Jackson.
Pare, baka injury timeout ito. Officials timeout. At ngayon, he's tapping at his left eyebrow.
May tawa.
Pero, nakascore siya. Sabi niya, okay lang. Kaya kung yan ang kapalit, wag lang naman bawat puntos niya, meron kanya.
Wala matitira sa kilay.
Pero bubura ko nga dito. Well, there's Ina Raimundo. You saw her earlier na medyo tumutulong dito sa Vintage Sports Ball sa ating pakikipanayam at sa ating pagkahanda para po dito sa ating championship series para sa Governor's Cup, and she is certainly a very refreshing and welcome presence. Oh, talaga naman. It's like a waft of fresh air. Hindi ba? Kung tatanungin niya si Mini, ano yan, iba nasa utak niya. 3 minutes and 17 seconds remaining in the first quarter. 10 na po. Ang abante ng Formula Shell, 22-12. Ito naman si Silas Mills. He has delivered on a 3-point shot for Mobiline. Fall-away jumper by McClary. It lands in the hands of Tony Boy Espinosa. He sees McClary coming in. At kinabayan po ni John Best to prevent McClary from getting an easy two.
Kita naman natin, tinulungan agad ni John Best. Kumagat siya sa fake ni McClary. But a lot of scrambling defense being done here by Sheila.
Hindi po biro-biro itong labanang ito. Nasabi nga natin, gusto makaganti ang Formula Shell sa Mobiline, pero best of 7 ito. Meantime, we've got the second time out of the game. Balik po tayo dito mga kaibigan sa Cuneta Astrodome para sa Game 1 ng Best of 7 Championship Series between Mobiline and Formula Shell. Ito na naman yung problema ni Team McClary sa free throw line. Ito yung mga, cute siya.
Ganda.
Oo.
Logo na Shell.
Mga fans natin dito.
Alam ko nakabalik yata si kasamang Kinito. Short on that second free throw. And you know, kung nasa Utah kami, ganyan lahat ng mga fans.
Ganon.
Ganon, you know, nice business na kung marunong ka.
Ano yung katuwaan nila?
Talagang yung they show their loyalty.
Kala ko katuwaan sila na lang matuwa. Tabantala, John Best picks up the rebound. Yes!
Medyo malakas ang bulusok dito ng Shell dito sa first quarter. They have a 12-point lead right now. Don't think the total of the Mobiline phone fouls here with 2:28 left.
Well, that's one of the reasons why Shell is in this championship series. Maganda mga umpisa nito. Ang problema kung minsan, pagka maganda umpisa ng Formula Shell, Dr. J, minsan, ay tumutupi sa huli.
That's right. It's very, very possible. And right now, we have a nice shot there by Alvin Tech, cutting the lead to 10.
Well, of course, pagka ikaw ay nakapaglagay ng magandang puhunan sa umpisa, magandang sandalan yan sa bandang huli. Samantala, kanina, Dr. J, nakita natin si Chris Jackson na merong putok sa kilay. Alamin natin kay Anthony Suntay kung ano sitwasyon. Anthony?
Well, you know, Ed, alam mo, kinausap ko siya kanina lang. Sabi niya sa akin, you know, Anthony, it seems like I'm getting uglier and uglier every day because he now has a plaster right here above his, beside his his left eyebrow. So I guess, pagkatapos sinabi niya sa akin, he's okay. Ed?
Well, that's what's important. He's okay. Alvin Teng blocks Benji Parash. Silas Mills fancy pass to McClary. Capascio is open.
When a good defensive stop resulting in a fast break opportunity. So a 4-0 run here by Mobiline cuts down the lead to 8 with a minute and a half left. Ito na naman si Williams from downtown. Wala
Good line. Pero hindi po pumasok ang tira. Samantala, we have the veteran Al Solis coming in for Tony Boy Espinosa sa panig ng Mobiline.
Medyo namamadali si Al Solis, si baba yung bola para magkaroon sila ng maraming oportunidad mga half-court set.
Glenn Capascio bitangan ng bola, binigay kay T. McClary. McClary out to Al Solis against Williams. Silas Mills has it with 7 seconds on the shot clock. Hindi makatira, binigay kay Solis. Nabitawan. And a backing violation is going to be called on Mobiline.
Kung hindi man mabakin yun, aabutin sila ng 24-second shot clock from where they were. I don't think they would have been able to throw up a decent shot.
Medyo marami-rami na ang turnover ng Mobiline dito po sa pag-uumpisa ng Game 1, which is certainly a curiosity sapagkat nakikita natin itong Mobiline katatapos lamang manalo ng Centennial Cup at marami nag-iisip noon na lamang sila sa experience rito.
That's right.
Samantala, Williams na naman, tumikada galing sa labas. Nothing there. Benji Paras. Isa pa para kay Donald Williams. This time, he makes no mistake.
Mas malapit yun. Medyo nabangga pa nga siya. You can see him limping as he goes back on defense. Then nabangga siya ni Al Solis. Medyo tinamaan siya sa hip.
Back to double-digit advantage by Formula Shell as Team McLaren is tidied by Benji Paras. Pero merong foul na nakita on the Tower of Power. Benji Paras, unang personal sa kanya. At pangatlong team foul lamang yan ng Formula Shell dito po sa first quarter.
Ito may binoculars pa. Nanonood.
Oh.
Ang karera pinanonood dito.
Maganda ka naman yung close-up na.
Close up yung mga players.
Oh.
Maganda yung nabanggit mo kanina. As you see, some of the fans here coming up with a nice version of the phone fouls. The championship experience, considering the conferences that they played, magugulat ka. Ang Mobiline ng lamang dito.
Oo nga eh.
54 championship conferences for Solis.
Sama-sama, no?
Solis, 12. Capasio, 12. Alvin Teng, 11. Mark Werwin Castelo, of course, with Alaska Shop. And on the other side, si Benji Paras, 5. Si Dixon, actually, number 2 with 3. So, malayo ang experience kung sa pasukan ng championship yung naglalaro para sa Mobiline.
Kaya po mga kaibigan, titignan natin yung statistics. Minsan, mabaliwalay niya pagka sitwasyon na sa hardcourt ang pinag-uusapan. Although of course, experience will count a lot dun sa composure ng mga players sa loob. 4 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Benji Paras picks for rebound. Natapos po palabas ang bola. 1.5 seconds to go as you look at Jeffrey Cariaso giving support to his brother team. Samantala, Benji Paras throws up a desperation attempt. Formula Shell on top by 8 points. Pagkatapos po ng ating first quarter na labanan sa Game 1 ng Finals of the Governor's Cup for 1998. Second quarter coming up.